Hello guys, welcome to the another Python refresher session. In this session, we are going to look into dictionaries. So in this session, we are going to look into some of the important aspect of dictionaries. So prior to looking into the example, I just wanted to tell you this part of the course is not mandatory. If you are having an idea about the Python programming language, you can directly skip into the part 2 of this course. And the student who is joining directly into this course and who doesn't have any idea about the Python programming, then I would suggest that you should go through one of my course, that is Learn to Code from Scratch with Python 3, where I have covered Python 3 in more detail. For this course, I am giving you the required knowledge which is must for data analysis, so that whoever is joining in this course directly without having an idea about the programming in Python, then they can easily understand that how to do data analysis with these tools. So now let's start our discussion on dictionaries. A dictionary stores key value pairs similar to a map in Java or an object in JavaScript. So let's understand that how to create dictionaries in Python. So first we will learn about how to create dictionaries in Python. How to create dictionaries in Python. So to create the dictionaries, for example, if you want to create a dictionary called grocery underscore bag. So how you can do that? You need to write the curly braces started and close. If you are using these two curly braces and assigning into a variable, then this variable become dictionaries. So let me prove the point. So here, if you will print type grocery bag and shift enter, then you will find that it is a dictionary. So how we can keep the data within dictionary? So we need to keep it into a key value pair. For example, if we are having a grocery bag, so let's assign some values over here. For example, if you are going for a supermarket and where you want to purchase potato, how much kg? It is 2 kg. Same way, for example, if you are having onion 1 kg, tomato 3 kg. So this way you can keep the information. Some error we got, and that is because we have directly used the name. Instead of that, we need to specify within the codes. So the same example, what we will do, we will put the single quotes over here as it is a key. So it is going to be a string over here. I specify a string. Now shift enter again. Then you will find that it has created a grocery bag. If we will print it, so let's look into that, what it is printing. Grocery bag, shift enter, then you will find that it has printed the dictionary. Now let's access the individual element of this dictionary. So how you can access the individual element? Suppose that if I want to access the potato and I want to grab this value, so how I can access it? So let's look into that. So we can access the dictionary through the key. So we need to tell that bag, grocery bag, and within the square bracket we need to specify potato. Now what it will do, it will return the value against this key. So let's enter, so let's print it, print shift enter, then you will find that it has returned the value how much kg of potato we have purchased. So it is 2 kg. Now this is the individual element you are accessing. Now suppose that if you want to iterate this dictionary, so how you can do that? So let's do it. So how you can iterate the dictionary? So you need to write for item in grocery bag. You need to specify that, enter, and over here we are going to get the quantity within a variable. And how we can access that? We can access through key grocery bag, and over here square bracket we need to specify the item and then we will print it, and we want to print it formatted printing. So we need to specify over here percentage s, that means the name of the item, and after that percentage d for the quantity, and over here we will mention that kg, kilogram, and over here we need to specify what are those. For the first value, it is the representation of item, and the second value we will specify quantity. Now shift enter. So we did a mistake over here. So you will see it over here. We are not getting the expected output. So there is an issue. So we did a mistake over here. Here instead of comma, we need to specify percentage. Now let's press shift enter. Then you will get the expected output. So this way you can iterate the dictionary within Python and you can store the key value pair within the dictionary. So now let's proceed further. So this is one way of accessing the key value pair. So with the help of this syntax, we are accessing the key and then we are passing the key to the dictionary and then we are accessing the value of that particular key. But there is another way which Python offers us, and we can access the key value pair together. So how we can do that? So let's copy this one. I'm going to leverage this, and over here instead of this I can use dot items, this method which Python offers to access the key and the value. So let's remove this and we will tell that key and value, and over here we need to remove this one, and instead of item I am going to specify key and the value. So this syntax is very less number of line we need to write compared to the earlier one. Now if you will press shift enter, then you will find that it is returning the same output. So there is no change in the output. So you should remember that there is a method offered within Python. Whenever we are creating a dictionary object, it offers us a method dot items, and you can access the key value together. So this is what I wanted to demonstrate you in this session. In the next session, we will do the refresher for sets and we will understand that what actually sets is. So on this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Take care.